Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now let's solve this. So the first step is to find the square root of 9 and then the square root of 8. We know square root of 9 is just 3 and the square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2. Here we can write square root of 9 is just 3 and the square root of 8 is 2 square root of 2. Simply the square root of 8, we can write it's a 4 times 2, where square root of 4 is 2 and then square root of 2. Now we can write this one 1 plus 2 and then 2 square root of 2. Now why we are splitting this 3 to 1 plus 2? The reason is we try to change this in the form of a plus b whole square. So the relation that we have is this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we can change in this form, which is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, now if we can change this in this form, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, so then we get a plus b whole square. And because of square, we can then eliminate this square root. Now, how do we do? Now, change this in the form of a square plus b 2ab plus b square. So we can do this. This is the root. Now, let's say 1 is a. So you can write 1 as 1 square. 1 square is same 1. Now, let's say this 2 is b. Now, to make it b square, we can say square root of 2 whole square, because square root of 2 square means just 2. Now, next we have is this one, which is 2 square root of 2. So you can say this is 2 times 1 times square root of 2 and then plus. So this 1 square means ones and this is 2 and then this one is this. That means now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab and plus b square. So here a means 1 and b means root under 2. And this is a plus b whole square. Now we have the root here. That simply means this is 1 plus root under 2. And this is the answer. If you have any questions, don't forget to write in comment section below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.